Hey guys, it is Carl Haynard here, and I've got one great unboxing video for you. I have right here the Apple wireless keyboard. I know it doesn't have the numpad and some of the more ubiquitous PC keys as the wired keyboard does, but you know what? I say screw that. I don't need those keys. I never use them. I hate wires. So let's get to it. I've got the nice packaging as always. Keyboard on front, keyboard on the back, Apple on the side, Apple on the side. Some legal information on the bottom. Wireless keyboard, logo on the bottom. So I guess we'll just take off the cellophane here, as always. So let's take that off. You know there's technology around when there's unwrapping cellophane. I always like that. So here we go. It looks like to have the same style as the Airport Express and Apple Wireless Mighty Mouse. Just lift it up, and there you go. Apple Wireless keyboard goodness inside. So just pull it out, and underneath we have some what appears to be batteries that somehow need a CD bag, and they are Energizers. Maybe Apple has a partnership with Energizer or something, I don't know. And the documentation. So we'll just put this aside. Now, here is the keyboard itself, wrapped in the trademark cellophane. Let's get this off. And there you go. One swanky looking keyboard. Let's just pull the other keyboard here over for a second. And zoom out. And that is the size comparison between the two. It is literally this part of the keyboard plus these keys compressed in such a nice small package. It is the MacBook keyboard for the iMac. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video of the Apple wireless keyboard. So, see you in another video.